So this is my homepage. I decided to do a Wealth Masters group. It shows what we do, the blueprint. I've embedded a YouTube video that just talks about the summit and an image. In the footer, I've got their Facebook embedded, and then when they upload a new Facebook post, it also changes in here. You can like the page and share it. I've also got this where they can log in and log out. It'll show when you're logged in, and then I've got my social media at the bottom where you can subscribe. And then I've got accessibility at the top so that you can make it smaller and larger, change the font so it's readable, and then choose like a contrast background colour if you wanted to. At the top of each page I've got the contact information, so it shows the mobile number and the email address. This is a who we are page. It shows their vision and their leadership team. This is the membership page. It shows what's included in the membership and the membership options that there are. I've used JavaScript so that you can click on these individual boxes, and I've also used CSS so that it changes, so that you can hover over them and it'll change so that you know you can click on them. I've clicked on corporate membership and filled in some details. If you're already a member, it'd just come up saying that you're already a member and that you can log out. So when you click to register, it'll take you through to your PayPal so that you can log into your PayPal, and then it'll take the money. When you've registered a member, you will get a confirmation email. When I've clicked on investor relations, it just shows some information, an image, and then I've also got a forum at the bottom so you can add tips and advice to our forum. I use CSS to change this right into black, as it was white before and you couldn't really read it. This is my country page, so it just shows where we are, and I've also got a contact us at the bottom so that you can type in some information and it will send it to my email, and then I can reply back. When you submit this, it will just comes up with a thank you message and just say that you'll hear back from us soon. This is my live events page. It shows a countdown to the next event, and I've also embedded some Facebook videos onto this so you can watch them for more information. If you are not a member and you are logged out, it'll come up with some text just saying that you have to log in already. This is a document just showing the CSS that I've used in my child theme. I've used this CSS to change the forum colour to black, so I put that in my styles. This is the JavaScript that I used in my integration, just so that you can click on their membership boxes. And this is the CSS that I used for the pointer. To make all the font the same throughout my website, I use this bit of CSS as well. For security reasons, I have changed my URL so that you can't put WP admin in to log into my dashboard. I have changed that in a security plugin. I've also changed it so the maximum login attempts you can have is 3. Usually without the iThemes plugin, you can click on appearance and there will be an editor section at the bottom. With my iThemes plugin, I have disabled this so you cannot edit anything whilst in the dashboard. This part at the bottom where it says brute force just shows my new URL so that you can't use WP admin. I've also got an anti-spam plugin which just shows that it's protection for my registration forms, my comments form, contacts, just to be, obviously as I've got these running through my website, just to prevent spam from coming through. This is also my Google Analytics, just to show who's visiting my site, how many people, the bounce rate, page views, sessions, things like that. This is my database backups. It just shows that my backup method is to save locally and through my email. So every time it backups, I do get these to my email address and my backup location. Just coming back to my website, this is the message that will show if you aren't logged in on the live event. And to add something onto the forum, you just have to click on the forum page, and then it will show up with people that have added, the type of topics that they've gone with, and you can also add your own here and submit that. I have also got this search bar at the top so that you can search for something through the site, which might make it a little bit easier to navigate. I just typed in membership and it come up with the different memberships that are on the page, anything that includes membership. You can then click on whichever one you require and it will take you to that page, and obviously you are already logged in. I have also embedded the cookie law plugin at the bottom, which obviously I've already accepted. You have to accept it. It'll come straight up before browsing the rest of the site. That is the end of my screencast. I hope you've enjoyed looking at my website. Thanks.